Number 1. Microwave drawer. This professional microwave drawer designed to be both elegant and space-saving. This top-loading microwave drawer has one-touch opening and closing and a powerful 1000 watt output. This microwave drawer contains many unique features, such as effortless open and close door with a touch of a button, and easily accessible touchscreen menu. Number 2. Electric milk frother. This machine automatically heats and mixes cocoa powder to chocolatey perfection. 4 preset programs optimized with the induction heating and spinning system. Create teeny bubbles perfect for ultimate hot milk drinks. You can simply toss the jug right into the dishwasher and enjoy your hot milk drink. Number 3. Double waffle bowl maker. The innovative design contains dual waffle makers, allowing for cooking of 2 waffles at the same time. The contemporary double cup design helps in baking more and subsequently serving better. The product also includes 5 delicious and delightful recipes, so that you can get going with your waffle maker without any delays. Number 4. Vacuum sealer. Food vacuum sealer removes air from specially designed bags. Multi-layer material heat seals to keep air out, prevent freezer burn, reduces spoilage and food waste, so cooking and meal preparation will become easier. It is more economical and faster. This vacuum food sealer is designed with 2 selectable modes to provide your food with best possible preservation based on your different types of food. You can also reseal bags of rolls, snacks that you only want to sell. Number 5. Electric indoor grill. Enjoy the restaurant quality results you want with the 3-in-1 cooking functionality unit. Amazingly adaptable, the 3-in-1 grill works as an indoor grill, as a griddle, or as a grill and griddle combo. The non-stick, reversible and removable cooking plates are easy to snap in and out of place. 2 cooking areas with individual adjustable heat controls let you prepare an entire meal at once. Number 6. Cosori Coffee Mug Warmer and Mug Set. Keep a mug of tea at the right temperature throughout tea time, or whenever you are ready for a break. Make sure your beverage stays warm even as the first few hours of the day whiz by. Number 7. Yogurt maker. Our Euro Cuisine digital automatic yogurt maker produces homemade yogurt and does all the work for you. Savor the fresh yogurt that was made in your own kitchen. The benefit of homemade yogurt is that you know exactly what's going into it. No preservatives and other harmful substances. Provide your family with natural tasty yogurt which has a higher dose of probiotics than commercial yogurt. Number 8. Coffee maker machine. Make fresh espresso, deep coffee or lattes and cappuccinos with an advanced fast heating thermoclock system that quickly heats water to a precise temperature and creates instant steam. Create a rich and creamy froth for lattes and cappuccinos with the steam warmed for an authentic homemade coffee. Number 9. Juicer machine. We go to great lengths to ensure that our products are safe to use. That's why Koyos juicers are 100% BPA free and feature no blades or sharp parts, making them safe even for children to use. We have also designed our juicers with narrow hoppers that prevent even the smallest hands from reaching inside. Number 10. Kitchen aprons. This is the ultimate apron with stay-in-place control for ease of movement. Designed for functional use in the home or outdoor grill, garden or craft table use. Heavy-duty fabric is practical and long-lasting. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to watch the latest video.